Ayan, for today's video guys, magbabalik tayo. Um, Hindi ko alam talaga kung paano yung atake na gagawin ko sa pagbabalik ko dito sa YouTube. Ayan, para doon sa mga datihan ko pang kilala, datihan ko pang nakasama. Um, and of course, to my fellow YouTuber na foreigner na can't understand Tagalog. Ayan, I don't know how to start again. Actually, ayan, it's so many struggle coming to my life lately. As in this almost whole this year. Then they're happening in my private life, in my love life and everything, financial and everything struggle. Then um slightly slowly it's getting lighter. Yeah. I don't know how to explain this, but yeah, we're after all the struggle, we decided to getting married because it's not very how what do you call this? It's not very elegant wedding. It's a civil wedding. It's kasalang bayan. We call it here like your mayor gonna do that program. Then if you are want to get married if and you don't have money, you don't have budget, they gonna covered all the expenses like that. Then we joined that program, and yeah, this December 11 we're getting married. I'm and maybe because some of my fellow YouTuber know my struggle, and yeah, so maybe they gonna surprise. But yeah, I hope this comes smoothly. Whatever happens talaga. And thank you for always supporting, even I'm not that consistent. Now I'm also working. Oo. And yeah, pag English talaga ang hirap mag-explain. Yeah, it's so very hard to explain in English, but I know you understand me naman. Ayan, thank you sa lahat. Since day one, nandyan sina Ate Mines, sina Ate Kat, ayan, and everyone. Sir Junior, Sir Whoops, of course, Ate Meow, ayan, Ate Honey Cute, ang dami ko pang mga kailangang i-settle. Oh my gosh. Oo, na-stress din ako, pero, yeah, sisipagan natin, ganun talaga, talagang inaano lang tayo sa buhay, sinusubok. Pero, ba't man nakaganto nyo lang itakid? Ayan, sinusubok lang talaga tayo sa buhay natin. I'm still doing TikTok, YouTube. I'm trying to be consistent because I know, yeah, I don't want to promise anymore because I said a lot of things that I can't fulfill. So maybe it's time to do it. Don't I don't want to make promises anymore. I just want to show you para yeah. And thank you so much everyone. I'm planning to do a this kind of vlog conversation sharing if I can. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. So yeah, cross finger tayo. And I just want you to know then I didn't forget everything. I'm still here. Um, I just need to do it for myself, not because to someone. I just want to do it because I want it and I want to enjoy it. I don't want to burn out again, to be burned out again to this kind of and everything in this social media world. Of course, I have 3 kids. Yeah, focus in life. Thank you so much.